In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to model a 2008 Camaro in Cinema 4D. We'll start with the foundation, blueprints. A good set of front, side, top, and rear images is your guide to the car's proportions and curves. Make sure all views come from the same set so they match up. Once you have them, load each image into its corresponding viewport. Align the images so that key landmarks like the wheel centers, bumper lines, and roof height line up across all views. Take a moment to check scale and consistency. This setup will save you time later. Next, create a simple cube to block out the main shape. Position and scale it to roughly match the length, width, and height of the Camaro, according to the blueprints. Think of this as carving a silhouette. As you adjust the cube, start pushing and pulling its faces and points to follow the profile from the side and front views. Keep it simple at this stage. We're capturing the overall volume, not the fine details. With the base established, begin refining using polygonal modeling tools. Add subdivisions where the shape needs more curvature and guide the geometry along the Camaro's characteristic lines, like the fenders and roofline. Use tools like the poly reduction tool strategically to keep your mesh efficient as you add detail, especially if you find the polygon count creeping up. Clean topology makes every later step easier. When the main body feels accurate, start defining panel separations. Mark out the hood cut line, door gaps, trunk, and bumpers by adding supporting edges and carefully splitting geometry. This creates the impression of real panel breaks without overcomplicating the mesh. Keep edges flowing smoothly around corners to avoid pinching when you smooth the model. For the wheels, block in the wheel arches first so the body sits correctly. Then build simple wheel shapes that match the diameter and width seen in the blueprints. Focus on getting the proportions right. Surface details can come later. Make sure the wheel placement aligns across all views so the stance looks authentic. Use a symmetry object to model only half the car and mirror it across the center line. This keeps everything perfectly balanced and halves your workload. Wrap the body inside a subdivision surface to preview smooth curvature. Add supporting edge loops near sharp lines to control how crisp or soft each feature appears. Toggle the subdivision surface on and off frequently to refine. Throughout, keep checking alignment in all viewports, adjusting points to maintain clean lines. By the end, you'll have a well-formed Camaro base ready for deeper detailing.